Excel Challenge: Hide unused cells. This task will demonstrate how you can hide unused rows and columns in an Excel spreadsheet. A link to the template that's used in this challenge task is available in the description of this video. There's also a link to a web page that will provide step-by-step instructions to complete this task. You will need to download and open the sample template for this task, or use a file of your own and just follow the steps. Step 1. Select the column header to the right of the last column you have data in. Step 2. Press Ctrl, Shift, and the right arrow on your keyboard. Step 3. Right-click your mouse in the shaded area and select Hide. Step 4. Select the row header right below the last row you have data in. Step 5. Press Ctrl, Shift, and the down arrow on your keyboard. Step 6. Right-click your mouse in the shaded area and select Hide. There's an alternate way to hide the cells and the columns and the rows using the Formats tab. If you'd like to unhide the rows and the columns that you've previously hidden in a document, using the Formats tab is the easiest way to do that. A link to our Facebook page is in the description of this video. You can also visit our website at challengetask.com for additional information and details regarding these challenge tasks. Please leave a comment and subscribe to my channel.